where we were not able to accommodate mobile properly, it was really just like jumping in line ahead of, like you place your mobile order, you get your order, you come and pick it up like a regular order. Now with the lockers, we are able to keep it separated. We are able to have people actually benefit from the timing of mobile orders. Our employees that work here are able to get their lunch in a timely fashion and not have to wait in line anymore. Same for our guests for that matter. So it's really just a convenience that we did not have in the past. They get to go and get their food and know that it's safe and secure and nobody else has touched it and breathed on it, and they go and they get to use this really cool locker, and it turns green when it's ready. They punch in their code and the door pops open. It's really cool. So it's very easy to use.
It was the one thing with the mobile ordering, it was just kind of just ordinary, and of course everybody picked their food up at the same time, same area. But now, these guests kind of feel a little special because they are actually performing with the lockers, and it's just easier for just to get their stuff come out hot, fresh, fast for them, and that's what they love about it.
Now guests can experience the aquarium, and then when their food is ready, when they receive a text, they can then come and eat. Instead of wasting 30 minutes in the cafe, waiting for their food when they can just enjoy it when it's hot and ready.
It's very important that not everybody else is kind of like handling your food except for the chefs and you. And I really like that nobody else can get it because it's very dependent on just your code for your food.
What surprised me so fast is just the fact of how user-friendly it is. It's easier for us to teach our guests how to use it. It's very easy as far as training it.
So easy, or the ticket's coming, you make the food, you put in the locker, you send the food, and customer, bring taking the food, and so easy, faster.
This is by far the easiest way to get lunch, especially when you're on a time constraint. Like, I know when my lunch is, I can order it ahead of time, know it's ready, bing, bang, boom, done.
But we had a trainer come in, he trained us exactly how to do everything, showed us the buttons, all the lights, all that stuff, so it was super easy for us to figure out.
Apex provided the customer service rep, Dave. He was here, he made sure the install was perfect, he made sure everything was set up, that everybody was trained, and it literally was, I've been doing this a very long time, it's the smoothest install I've ever had with any technology.